Jesus. Nice one. Look at these cars. I think we're going to get a lot of idiots going up the wrong way, like this kid. Use your fucking indicator. That's it. That's all you're doing. Oi. What a... Hey, you're going to end up with more crutches. Whew.
I think that's why the lady gets...
Was that sorry? Hell, you fucking idiot! No.